Okay, so just in this video, I'm going to explain a little bit what the correlation output gives you. So here's my descriptive tables, my means, my standard deviation. And then you also get this table right here, which is your correlations. All right, so it's a bivariate correlation, so it's comparing one variable to another. And I added these R and P. Okay, this is not going to show up in your SPSS, but you read it as going across. So you say time spent revising, the correlation coefficient is 0.397, the probability is 0.000. So that is significant because it's less than 0.05. The relationship between exam anxiety and time spent revising is negative 0.709, and it also is a significant relationship. The relationship between exam performance is negative 0.44, and it is also significant. So I kind of give you a little bit of breakdown here. So a positive R value, so this 0.397 means that as time spent revising increases, exam performance increases. This negative value right here, as exam performance increases, exam anxiety decreases. All right, so that's how you interpret your correlations.